How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be doing a Kegel workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at dylanberg999. So the exercise that we're going to be doing today is going to be leg raises. This is a fantastic exercise for your Kegel muscles. We'll do 7 reps. We'll do 10 sets, 70 total repetitions, which is a lot of volume for your Kegel muscles. With that being said, let's get started. So we're gonna get into this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not too bad. So yeah, just like that. Been pretty excited lately. I want to go on vacation. That's something that I've really been thinking about a lot lately. I'm a little bit jealous because the wife's parents and sister are going to Vegas May 1st or May 2nd. And then the wife's parents, just the parents, are going back in November, traveling twice to Vegas. That is so dope. I went there once last August, and I want to go back this August. It's like the coolest place. Like, it was so dope. Like, the only thing I don't like is heights, and a lot of the attractions there are heights. So I'm more for like walking around, looking at the different things, having beer, lots of beer. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But yeah, it's pretty sweet. We usually go for 5 days, so not too bad. Cost is roughly about $1,000 each, so it's really not too bad. Eventually, like not this year, but because the wife started a new job, so she might not be able to get holidays, but chances are she should be able to. I can get holidays for sure. I've been at my job for almost a year. Yeah, it should be pretty sweet. Let's do another 10. Or sorry, another 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The only thing that I hate, again, I don't like heights, so the plane ride, not a fan at all. Vegas isn't too bad. Not too bad of a trip, but again, hate plane rides, absolutely hate them. The first time I was so scared. The second time wasn't too bad, so that's pretty good. But yeah, I love the heat down there. I think when we went, it was like plus 40. It's actually not too bad because you're walking generally through casinos and stuff, so it's not too bad. The food was so good. There's so many different restaurants and stuff like that, so that's pretty dope. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ideally, I'd like to go twice per year. So my ideal time, I'd want to go 6 months apart. So let's see, March, April, May, June, July. Maybe March and September, or maybe April and August. Or sorry, I don't know, February might be a little bit cold. Probably go March and August, March and September. Let's do another Another 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So again, I don't know about going twice per year, but I think that would be pretty cool eventually. Once per year now is good. But again, I'd like to go twice per year. We hit up there's some pretty cool places that we eat that me and my wife love. We did not have a buffet when we were there, so next time we gotta try a buffet. And there is a thing I seen on TV. I was sitting up, it was like midnight, and I was just looking at all the different stuff on TV because the TV was previewing all the attractions there, and they have beer crafting or beer tasting. Definitely have to go to that next time. But we didn't even know about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yeah, that was pretty dope. Once per year isn't too bad. Again, it costs about $1,000 each. That includes like all the plane rides, the hotels, and all the food, and all the other stuff you get, like the beers and stuff like that. So I pay $1,000, the wife pays $1,000, and yeah, if you want to go twice per year, then it'd be $2,000 and $2,000. So you'd have to budget probably about $150 a month into your budget to be able to afford that, which isn't too bad in my opinion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if you're thinking, oh, you'll get bored going to it a second or third time, no. Wife's parents have been there like 12 times already in probably the last 5-6 years, so they go about twice a year there. And my auntie and uncle go there quite frequently. They like to gamble, but I don't do any gambling. Maybe like $20 worth, but that's about it. Not a big gambler. So yeah, it's definitely sweet, and yeah, I cannot wait to go back. Okay, we'll do another 7 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Okay. Whew. Doing pretty good. Second video of the day. Feeling pretty motivated. Got 2 pretty easy videos after this, and then 3 tough ones, and then 3 easy ones, then 3 tough ones, and then 4 easy ones. That's kind of how it goes. And then 4 tough ones. So I kind of space them out like that, just so I get a little bit of a break in between tough workout sessions. That's what allows me to make all these videos per day. Again, today, would like to hit 23 vids just because I only hit 17 on Friday and 14 yesterday. If I can hit 23 today, that'd be pretty dope. So we'll do another 7, and then we're done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Woo. That's pretty good. Again, kegel exercises, we do quite a few on this channel, a lot of different variations. Leg raises, in my opinion, is one of the best that you can do. It's not one of my favorites. My favorites, again, is side climb or leg openings or glute bridge. Again, the number 1 that I have is side climb, then leg openings, and then probably glute bridge. But this is probably 4th or 5th on my list, so very good. end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylan Bergman.